Hey guys, Tony with SeattleBoatDetailing.com. In today's video, what I'm doing here is removing some residue left behind from a name removal. On this boat, I'm using a razor blade to scrape away that remaining gum. I'm also using a solvent, not just a razor blade. And if you didn't watch the other video, I've got the razor blade at about a 90-degree angle, and so it's just scraping across the surface, and that prevents gouging. Here I'm using some more solvent to just remove any remaining residue.
Alright guys, I didn't bring my setup to be able to film this today, but I went ahead and did the last portion of this boat, which was wet sanding and then repolishing these areas where the name was,
to remove ghosting caused by that newish fiberglass surrounded by the old oxidized fiberglass. Starting with 800 grit and then 1000 grit.
with the orbital polish here. This is Grio's Garage Machine vinyl P1000 grit I used. The other one, like I said, was 800. Just two relatively quick passes with first the 800 and then the 1000, and then I compounded using McGuire's diamond cut, and then I went back after cutting it and used my regular diamond cut flagship premium mix so that it's got a finish on it that's going to hold up, and much better than it was. Thanks for checking it out. If you have any questions of how to do that, or if you need it done, feel free to hit me up and let me know.
As always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. It really helps me stay motivated to take the time to make these videos, and especially leave a comment. If you have any questions about detailing or detailing business or whatever it is, mind, and really put together to try and help others who are trying to figure things out. So do that if you need it. Peace.